For today's episode, tinry natin ang Moonhay Hot Pot and Grill sa Banawe, Quezon City. Floors ang restaurant pero we stayed sa second floor kasi full sa baba. So pagpasok mo, makikita mo yung options for condiments such as mga oyster sauce, peanut butter, satay, garlic, chili, and a lot more. At the same place din, makikita mo rin yung mga fruits and other drinks. What's nice about this place is that may conveyor belt wherein nandiyan for grill and for hot pot like balls, seafood, meat, vegetables, noodles, and a lot more. Hot pot merong 4 choices of soup-based options. Merong plain tomato, spicy mala, and swanla or hot sour soup. Very fresh ang seafood, very fresh itong blue crab or ang alimasag. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako with a hot pot kasi authentic siya. At the same time, yung mga balls is high quality, the soup is high quality, and halos lahat ng mga toppings, mga mushroom, seafood are fresh and very flavorful. Samahan pa natin na mainit siya. May sarili-sarili kayong lutuan in front of you, hindi siya sharing. And syempre, i-dip natin dito sa ating dipping sauce na normal din natin nakikita sa iba't ibang shabu-shabu or hot pot stores. Overall, sobrang sulit siya. Value for money, 709 pesos lang yung hot pot. Plus, meron pang unlimited ice cream. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you again next time. Dito lang yan sa Chef Chef Hooray!